everyone, my name is Mohammad Nauman. I have done BTech Mechanical Engineering from United College of Engineering and Management in 2021, and I had enrolled on 10 August for online job and training at Evision. The best decision I took to be the part of the Evision, where I gained knowledge on the technical skill in the easiest way, and like me, anyone can understand it even. And I also want to tell you that along the technical skills training also will be given and get them clarified. Along with technical skills, I got placed in the HCL at the salary of a package 2.88 LPS. So this is a best platform to boost up your coding skills and to build a bright future in the tech careers. And I am happy also because I got placed in the HCL at the package of a 2.88 LPA. And thank you, Evision. Thanks team.